Did you get a chance to take a break? All right, I'm ready to start math. And I went up and got a snack, but I'm going to use it for our math lesson. So I'll share my snack with you. Okay? All right, I have some numbers and I want you to look at them. Can you see my numbers? Okay. Can you tell me what these numbers are? Good. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to look at these numbers and I want you to tell me which one is the smallest. That's right, 3 is the smallest, so I'm going to move that. Okay, now I want you to tell me which one is the biggest. That's right, 9. Now we know 3 is bigger than 9. Oh, do you remember our alligator? He always likes to eat the fat monkey. Which way would the alligator's mouth face? Right, he would eat the 9 because that's bigger. Would you, oh, I have my jelly beans here. Would you like 3 jelly beans? Or would you like 9 jelly beans? Ooh, count them. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many more do I need? Yep, 1 more. Would you rather have 3 jelly beans or 9 jelly beans? Yes, I would too. 9 jelly beans. All right, now, remember those numbers in the middle we've talked about? Yep. Guess where number 7's going to fit? Right in the middle. So when you're looking at numbers, you can look at the smallest, and then the largest, and then there's a number that goes in the middle. Now, when we count these, is that how we count? 3, 7, 9? No. But we can still look at numbers and decide out of all the numbers which one is smallest, which one is biggest. And then we can look at those numbers. Okay, now where does 7 fall? Yep, and when we count with our numbers in our big number charts at school with our number line, I'm trying to get my marker lid off. Oh, this one is on hard. But when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so when we count, we can look. We can decide, okay, we know where 3 is. There's the 3, and here's the 9. Now, in between, look at how many numbers are in between there. Yep, do you see a 7? Yes. So you can still look for patterns in numbers, even if you don't have all the numbers given to you. Here, let's do another one. I'll show you. I won't put them in order. So let's see. I'll just mix them up here. Okay, so here's your numbers. Which numbers do you have there? You have a 6, a 4, and an 8. Okay, so look at those 3 numbers. Which one is smallest? Right, the number 4 is the smallest. Okay, now look between these 2 numbers. Which one is the biggest? That's right, 8 is. Okay, now I put it there because I know. Where am I going to find the 6? Look up here at our number line. Here's the 4. There's the 8. Where does the 6 come? That's right, it comes between 4, 6, 8. Now that I know that's not how we count, but we're still looking at numbers. Smallest, biggest, in between. Let's do one more. This one will make it a little bit harder. You ready? What number is that? Yep, 14. What number is this? 10. What number is that? 12. I had to borrow the I from the other one because I don't have enough numbers. Okay, so look at these numbers. Which one is the smallest? It's going to be a little bit harder. Right, 10 is the smallest. Which one's the biggest? That's right, 14 is the biggest. So where is 12 going to fit? Is it smaller than 10? No, it's bigger than 10, so we have to move this over. Okay, is 12 bigger or smaller than 14? That's right, it's smaller. So then we're going to fit 12 right in the middle there. So that's just another fun way to play with numbers, looking for patterns. All right, let's get rid of these numbers. Last week we talked about subtraction. So I have some animal crackers. So how many cows do I have there? 2. And I'm going to add a bear. 2 plus 1 equals 3. But now I'm going to make that one of those cows walk away. So how many do I have? I have 3, and one's going to walk away. How many am I left with? 2. How many did I take away? That's right, 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, let's take another one. I'm walking through the zoo, and I'm seeing all these animals in their cages. I see, I don't know, is that supposed to be a hippo or a rhino? And a zebra and a bear. Okay, and oh, cow again. Let's see. Oh, here it looks like a donkey. How many animals have I seen at the zoo? Well, I have a total of 5. And, oh, the donkey walks into her den to get a drink. Not her den. What would it be? Her barn. To get a drink. How many are left? 4. I had 5, and I take away 1. How many am I left with? 4. That's good. Let's look at, we have a mama cow and a baby cow. Okay. If I have 2 cows and 1 cow goes out to the pasture, how many am I left with? 1. 2 minus 1, or take away 1, equals 1. Is 1 smaller or larger than 2? See, look at here. This is why we talk and play with numbers. 2 cows and 1 cow. Which is more? This one. If I take 1 away, I have less. My number gets smaller. So even when we're playing with our snack, or if we're playing with our treat, okay, and when we're playing with the actual numbers, when we take things away, things get smaller. And so that's why I want you to practice looking at numbers. Which one is bigger? Which one is larger? Or not bigger. Bigger, larger, same thing. Bigger or smaller. Count them. Show it with your snack today. Maybe you have goldfish or Skittles or jelly beans or animal crackers. Okay? Count them. Show the difference between how many. Which one would you want more of? 1, 4, or 2? Smaller, larger, or bigger? In the middle. Have fun playing with numbers today, boys and girls.